Hello everyone, so welcome back to the channel. So this is a series of Siemens controller as you know. So let's continue. So I'll be telling you how to write a program, okay, in the program guide G code. So let's get started. Let me open the software. So as I already have opened the software because it takes too much time, 1 to 2 minutes. So that's why I don't want to waste the time. So I opened the software. So let's start. So how to write a program in the Siemens controller. So let's start making a new program. Click on program manager, program part programs, okay. Then just click on new program, okay. Then we want to make a program, okay, G code program, okay. So we'll select this. If we want to make the manual program, we'll select this, okay. So let's start with program guide G code, okay. Click here, write write the program name as we want to make a turning program. So we'll just write turning, okay. Turning 1, okay. We'll then just click input, okay. Now the screen is open where we have to write a program. So before writing a program, we have to introduce about the workpiece, okay. So what is the length of workpiece, what is the dia of workpiece, as we are in CNC lathe, so there is only x and z axis, okay, as I already have told. And so basically we always use the cylindrical parts in the CNC lathe, you know that. And so we have to give the workpiece. So how to give a workpiece, as I already told. So we'll make use of every option in the vertical soft keys, in the horizontal soft keys, when we are doing a programming session. So the programming session has been started from today. So let's use the keys in the horizontal soft key. So how to give a workpiece? So just click on the option various, okay. So click on this various. So there comes the option blank, okay. Now we can give the dia and the length of the workpiece cylindrical part. So we want to take the pipe. Basically pipe is what, uh, there is a internal die also, okay. Block centered, okay, like this also we can take. And cornered shape, okay. And just click on cylindrical part. We want to make a turning program. So what is the dia, okay. Let's take 50 dia, okay. Okay, okay, 50. And what is ZA? XA, I told XA is basically a, let me show again. This is the dia, and see, this XA is the dia of the workpiece we are going to give, okay. And ZA, as you can see here, okay, outside diameter is written there, see, outside diameter. Now ZA is the basically the start of your workpiece, okay. It is always 0, you can see ZA, this is always 0. Here the Z axis is 0, okay. Now ZL, the distance from here to here, okay. So what we want to give, if, first, what is ZB? ZB basically a distance we want to make the workpiece out of the chuck, okay. Okay, jaws, these are the jaws, and this is chuck, okay. And these are jaws. So how much distance we want to make in the jaw and after the jaw? So I am taking around -80 in, okay. Why we are taking -80? Because we are using absolute programming. So here, after this z plus, and after this is a z minus, and here is z0, okay. I have taken z0 here, okay. So -100 till here, okay. And -80 before the jaw, okay. Then we, if you want to see a graphic view of this, just click on the graphic view. See, this is -80 and this is -100. From here to here is -100 and from here to here -80, and this is 50 dia. Okay, we'll just click accept button. Okay, so now the workpiece has been selected. So now what we have to do, we always make the home position to the machine. So as in Fanuc we use a G82, okay, X0Z0, but in Siemens the code is different, that is G75. So just click for the next, just enter for the next line. Okay, now G75 X0 and X0 and Z0. So there is no need to put a semicolon. Okay, just click enter. Okay, there's no use of semicolon in Siemens controller. Okay, now we have home the positions, home the axis, and reference the axis, basically X0 and Z0. Now we have to provide the tool. So I told you before, we are going to make a turning program. Okay, we'll make a from 50 dia to, we have to make a 30 dia up to around 20 to 30 length. Okay, okay, so let me take the tool. How to take a tool? Just, this is the window, just click on edit. Okay, we were on the various because we were giving the workpiece. Just click on edit. Now see, there is an option came, select tool. So just click on this. So the window appears where there are several tools. Okay, I'll show everything how to create a tool. Okay, and what is everything. Just don't get confused. I'm basically just, this is the basic how to enter a new program, how to write a new program. So I'll be covering about offset and everything. Don't fear for that. Okay, so for turning, we'll take roughing tool. Just click on this. Okay, roughing tool, just click on okay. Okay, so we have to give a roughing tool uh, with D1. Okay, what is D1, what is ST1? Okay, I'll tell you everything. So I'm just telling you how to write a program, basically how to use the keys, how to give workpiece. Okay, how to take a tool and how to create a tool, I'll told you in the later video, because if I'll give about information about that, video will be too long. So what is D1, why we are using D1, D2 and all. Okay, I'll told you everything. So D1. Okay, now for the next line we use M06. M06. Okay, again enter. For the ATC, the same command as in Fanu, tool changing command. Okay, automatic tool changer. Now in the next line we give spindle. Okay, uh, spindle speed. Okay, so where the workpiece is mount. Okay, so we'll rotate that workpiece. So we have to give the RPM. So simply give G97. So leave that because there is no use of G97. Basic give S 1000 M03. Okay, 1000 RPM and M03 is a clockwise direction rotation. Okay, now so what was the size of our workpiece? 50. Okay, and the length was around -80. Okay, till -80. So first we'll bring our tool to the safe position near the workpiece. Okay, so we'll use command G00. G00. Okay, X will if 50 is the die, will take 55. Okay, okay, or take 52. Okay, 52 and Z2. Okay, then okay, sorry, it's Z2. Z2. Okay, enter. Now we are going to use the cycle. Okay, which cycle we want to use? We are going to use turning cycle. Okay, just click on, there is a option in the horizontal soft key, turning. Okay, we'll click, I'll make use of drilling, counter turning, milling, everything. Okay, so it will be in with step by step. Okay, I'll not include everything in one video, it video will be too long, as I told before. Turning. Okay, now there is a option stock removal. Just I'll told about grooving, undercut, thread, cut off, everything. Okay, but step by step. First, stock removal. So okay, SC is the safety distance. Okay, and F feed rate. Okay, so safety distance will make one. Okay, and what is the feed rate? Feed rate will give, let's take around feed F50. Okay, so what is it? C, roughing. This is finishing. So we'll doing roughing. Okay, this is asking we want to make it phase by phase or longitudinal. See, when we'll select phase by phase, the tool will cut like this, and it will complete all things. And if you do longitudinal, it will cut like this again. Okay, okay, so this is the longitudinal and this is the phase, so we'll use phase. Okay, so I'll use the longitudinal also. Let's use phase. Okay, 50. Okay, 50 is the starting point. Okay, because our die is 50. And z, will z0 is also here, we'll make 0. Okay, I told about till where, till which die we have to make a turning. Okay, till which die we have to cut the workpiece. So I'm telling, making is 30. Okay, and till what length we'll take around 50 minus 50. I told about why we are taking minus 50. Okay, because we are using absolute programming. Okay, so D, what is D? What is D? Basically, C, what is it coming? Maximum in feed depth. What is the depth we are taking for every cut? Okay, see, this cut, again this cut. So D will be this. See, again, see, D, this is the distance between. Okay, we'll take around 2 mm. Okay, sorry, 2 mm. 2 mm is much. Okay, UX and use it, we give UX and use it when we are going to use the finishing cycle. Okay, if you want to use the finishing cycle just after this, okay, then we give the values in UX and use it. We basically give point 1, point 2, point 1, point 2, point 3. Okay, not much that. Okay, so now I've given safety distance, feed. Okay, feed. Okay, now we just want, and again I want to show you one thing. So how you want to do the this, we are going to do this one. Okay, this one turning. Okay, let me show you what we have done in the graphic view. So see, this will be the cutting. Okay, okay, and if you want to cut like this, see, there will be radius here, and see, now this will be a tapered turning. Okay, so we are going to do this. I'll show you this also, but not in this video, it will be too longer. Okay, so we'll just, okay, roughing. Okay, minus 55. Again I have to change this, 0, minus 50. Okay, I'll take 2. Okay, everything, and feed 50. And what is this, how we want to cut? Okay, when we'll accept it. Now we want to make our tool, after the operation we want to make our tool to the safe position. So we'll make the 0 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. Okay, we can give the space 52. Okay, then Z2, sorry, Z2. Okay, then enter. Okay, now we'll make the machine reference G75 X0 Z0. Okay, now spindle of M05. Okay, sorry, I have given semicolon because I'm in habit of using Fano controller also, na. That's why. Sorry. M05. Okay, and M30. Okay, so if there is unnecessary lines, we'll just delete it. Okay, but when we can delete, just click on edit. Okay, just okay, cut, and this cut. Okay, but now the numbering has been changed. So how to renumber the sequence number? Okay, just make it on the edit mode. Just click this soft key and make renumbering. So first block number. Okay, what is the first block number and increment? How much increment we want? See, if one is the first block and one, and the increment also will be one. See what happened. Okay, now again if I renumber and I'm using 5, and the increment is 5 also. See, okay, 5, 10, 15. Okay, so you have seen about the renumbering. Okay, I have told about open further program. Okay, renumbering I have also told, okay, in the previous videos. So now let's simulate the program, see it's running or not. Okay, if there will be any error, we is so good, we'll make another. See, the tool is coming and it's cutting. I told about roughing and finishing. So this is the difference. Okay, it's still minus 15 now. Okay, from dia 50 to 30, we have taken length around minus 50. Okay, from here to here. So this is not, this is roughing. So if we do the finishing after this whole will be finished. Okay, so if you want to give the finishing also, so just click on this cycle and press enter. Okay, now if you want to make the copy of this, just again I'm doing the copy. Okay, copy, and here just make the cursor here and paste. Okay, it has been pasted. Now just click on this cycle and open this cycle by clicking here, or okay, okay, open. Now we are on to do the finishing. Okay, just click on the finishing. Okay, but before the finishing, okay, the same finishing we want to the same. Okay, just click this and this everything remains same. Now see the simulation. This video is going to too long, I knew that, because programming sessions are too long. Okay, now see, after this process, see, the finishing process has been also done. Okay, so I think you have understood this. Okay, let me show this again. Okay, see, this is a 50 dial tool. Okay, now this is the roughing process. This is the insert tool. Okay, battery is dying. Okay, so I think we have completed this program. Okay, so keep watching videos, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.